Well, hello. I'm so happy that you're here with me for another week of activities. Okay, so we are going to start with week number 20. Can you believe it? 20 weeks already. Okay, so I'm going to start. I will see you at the end of the video. Okay, so we are going to start week number 20. And we start on Monday. Okay, on Monday, we are going to begin with reviewing some of the vocabulary that we have been studying, okay? So, we are going to remember who works at a school, and then, like you have been doing in Spanish, you guys are going to describe one of your teachers, okay? The teacher you like the most, and then when we finish saying if he or she is tall, short, kind, funny, okay, so we are going to page number 25 on our book, and we have the outline of a teacher. So you guys are going to decorate your teacher, okay? Who's your favorite teacher? You're going to put maybe some yarn as hair, and then with your scissors and your glue, you're going to paste it, and then with your crayons, your colors, your markers, you are going to decorate it, okay? You're going to color it, make it beautiful. That's what we're going to do on Monday. And on our 1:30 p.m. class, we are going to imitate some movements, okay? I'm going to show you some movements, and you guys are going to imitate them. And then, with the little pieces of straw, the little circle with the happy face, I'm going to present to you several images that you have to reproduce with the straws and the circle, okay? So that's what we're going to do so we can help you improve your logical thinking, okay? And that's it. For Tuesday, we are going to play a little bit hide and seek, okay? I'm going to show you a classroom, and in this classroom, I'm going to hide some objects your teachers use, and you're going to tell me who uses that object. For example, a chess piece. Who uses that? Teacher Mario or Teacher Eri or Teacher Judith, okay? So that's what we're going to do, and then you're going to tell me what you do in each class. When we finish, we are going to read a little bit of Mr. Wiggles, okay? We're going to know what is happening to Mr. Wiggles now. And also, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the story. When we finish, then we are going to see a dance class video, and you're going to tell me if you like it or if you rather not be present in that class. So, at 11:15 a.m., I have class with my group number 1, and we are going to review numbers, okay? Just like we did last week, we are going to review numbers up to number 15 that we have been studying, and then I am going to present to you the new number, number 16, okay? So after we see how it works, how many objects it is, then we are going to our worksheet, okay? And we're going to see what it is, how many numbers I see there, and then we are going to take our pencil and we are going to match the numbers, number 1 to number 2, number 2 to number 3 to number 4, and like that, until we reach number 16. When you finish this, then we can color the result, okay? And you are going to share what it is and if you liked it or not. Okay, so for Wednesday, my beautiful children, we are going to study letters, okay? I'm going to present to you some words that begin with the letter T and the letter V, okay? We're going to remember some of those letters, some of those words, and then we're going to play a little game, okay? If you listen to something that begins with the letter D, you clap, and if you listen to something that begins with the letter D, then you put your hands up, okay? Super easy, super simple. And then to finish, we are going to take our piece of paper, we're going to divide it into 2 sections, and then on one, we're going to write the letter T and the letter D, and we're going to draw something that begins with the letter T on the left and something that begins with the letter D on the right, okay? And that's it for Wednesday. For Thursday, we are going to see who uses what, okay? So, I'm going to present to you a teacher and the things he uses for his or her class, okay? So, who uses balls? Miss Judith or Teacher Letty or maybe Teacher Mario, okay? You have to tell me who uses what in their class. I'm going to show you some pictures and we're going to have to match them. Then you're going to have to tell me who of those teachers or professions you would like to become when you grow older. And then I'm going to share with you a really nice video about school stuff, okay? When we finish with that, we are going to page 51 and we're going to copy one more time the object Mr. Wiggles took from the nurse's office, okay? So you're going to draw it and then you're going to color it. And that's it. And then at 12:45 p.m. I have class again with group number 2 and same thing. We're going to work with numbers, okay? We're going to review numbers up to number 15 and then I am going to introduce to you number 16. When we finish with that, we are going to our work page and we're going to see all of those numbers. We're going to match number 1 to number 2 with our pencil, number 2 to number 3, number 3 to number 4, and so on. And when we finish, you're going to tell me what it is, and you guys are going to color it and share the end result with everyone, okay? That's it. And then on Friday, we are going to answer some questions, okay? First, we're going to see one more time the school stuff video, and you guys are going to tell me well, we're going to see if you can describe a character so we can guess who it is, okay? We're going to read a little bit more about the story of Mr. Wiggles. I'm going to ask you some questions, and then we are going to page 65 on our book. And we're going to talk about who we are seeing there on our page, what is happening, and then with our scissors, with our sticks, and with our tape, we are going to make again like little lollipops. And when you finish, we are going to choose one of these characters and you guys are going to act like that character, okay? And when we finish, that's it. No more classes for week number 20. Well, that was it. Thank you so much for paying attention. Thank you so much for working with me throughout this week. Remember, stay safe, be nice to everyone, okay? Be nice to mommy, be nice to daddy, and I will see you next week. Lots of kisses. I love you. Bye.